is Emeka from Wisdom Foundation. Wisdom Foundation is partnering with Digipreneur Community, Data Seller, and AIHUB to deploy what you call digital education to the youth and women, helping them to achieve financial freedom. Okay? You know that the digital space is the biggest, the wealthiest place in the world today. But before we go into what this technology is all about, I want you to know that forex and crypto are classified under high-risk business. For you to be a cryptopreneur or a forexpreneur, you must be a risk taker. So, risk in the sense that, you know, you can lose money in forex, you can gain money in crypto, in forex. So you have to know that we are not financial advisors. This package is just for educational purpose. Okay. So AIHUB is actually a system that trades on a broker. Okay, it is traded on a broker called Valetax broker. Okay, in our community we promote both AI and manual trading, but many people want AI to trade for them. I want AI to trade for me. Okay, so what I do is that I get a link from whoever that has spoken to you about the project. You get a link, you create a broker account. What is important here is that this is not investment program. It's not like you're investing on a website. It is a pure trading program. You just go to the broker, you fund the account, and you connect to AIHUB. Okay, when you connect, the AI will start trading. So the first advantage here is that it is on a broker. It's a broker, you are in charge of your fund. When we say broker, we mean it is on a broker that you are in charge of your fund. So you decide what you do with your fund. You don't need permission for someone to do withdrawal of your fund or whatever. So number two is that AIHUB gives you opportunity to, do other things. The real wealth is actually the money that comes to you, no matter how small it is, money that comes to you when you're busy with other things or even when you're sleeping. Okay? Number three is the commission. The rebate commissions are amazing. Brokers pay rebate commissions and Valetax is paying directly. Okay? That's what we call profit sharing commissions. Any profit that is made by the AI, as you see on the screen right now, the AI is trading on the screen. You can see the master account trading on this account. So, the AI trading on this master account. What happens is that whatever profit that this AI makes, any profit that it makes daily, it is shared into three by the broker. 60% goes to the owner of the account. Okay, 20% goes to the marketer. It's amazing. They have marketing. You can imagine 20% of whatever the AI makes goes to whoever referred you to the broker. And then the other 20% goes to the developers of the AI. Okay? So we're going to go to the broker right now so that we check how to connect. Okay, this is, you go to the broker, you connect. Let me give the example. Okay. So you put these codes. So if you want to fund, you go to the menu bar on top, the three lines on top. Okay, you click on fund. You fund, but if you want to now connect, you click on copy trading. Click on copy trading. You click on available strategies. Okay, available strategies. Then you search for AIHUB. Okay. So you search for AIHUB. You can see it there. You click on it. Okay. You click on it. The next is to go down and click on connect to strategy. Okay. Then you see at the center the normal risk. You click on it to see different risks you can take when setting up your account. Okay, there is low risk, there is normal risk, there is high risk. For instance, this master account has bigger funds, but even $10 can copy that account because it operates on a cent system. Cent. So $10 is like 1,000 cents. So it can copy the bigger fund on the master account. So the broker will give it in proportion to the amount that you have. So you choose, assuming you have $10 and the trade is supposed to keep $1 to trade. Okay? Low risk means let it kick even lesser than $1, smaller, half of it, or something lower. Normal means if it's supposed to be $1 to trade, let it be that $1, let it go. High risk means you can double it. You can double it $2 instead of $1. So you make a choice. You are the one to decide the risk that you take. Okay. So I usually go for low risk. So I select low risk. Okay. The next thing is details. You look down, you click on details. Okay? You click on details. Now, if you are funded already, you go down to where your money is, which is wallet. Go down. What is here is 7.3. So it's not even up to $10 minimum. So assuming you want to fund immediately at this point you are connecting. If you want to fund with USDT, you click on USDT TRC20 or BEP20, or even Cora Pay. If you want to do bank transfer, you want to fund with Naira, you can just click on that and use Naira. Okay. So assuming I want to fund with the money on this wallet, I'll click on wallet. Then they will now ask me to put the amount. Because you may have more than the amount you want to use to trade. Maybe you have $1,000 and you want to trade with $500. So you have to put it. I want to use $500. You now type it, okay? So you now tell me that I don't have up to that on this account, okay? So I actually logged in on another. So if assuming you have enough fund, the next is just to come here. This summary will be highlighted. You click on summary. It will show you the overview of what you have done. You now say complete. That's all. Very simple. Very simple. So it's very easy. Just follow the process. Fund. Go to copy trading. Search for AIHUB and click on AIHUB. Select the risk you want to take. Is it low risk? Is it normal risk? Or is it high risk? Okay. Then you move on. To show you where to put in the amount you want to, where do you want to get the money. Is it wallet? Is it you want to fund directly from your bank account? You just choose any option you want. You now complete the copy trading. It's very easy, very, very easy. So I want to encourage you to know that technologies, we are like pioneers in this industry. AI technology is taking over the world. AI is happening in medicine, media, entertainment, education. So now in finance, crypto and forex, the cryptocurrency markets, the forex markets, both of them are now, trading with artificial intelligence. So I want you to know that it is a new technology, and you must have to be someone who can take risk to embrace new technologies. Remember, this is not financial advice, but educational package to give information about what is going on in the global market. So here is opposite of Ponzi schemes. Remember, I always tell my community that there are two ways to lose money online trading. Either you are being scammed or you lose to the market. So losing to the market, we are used to it already. Nobody can run away from that. So we lose money when we're trading manually, when we're whatever, we lose money. We can lose money in the market, but we don't want to be scammed. So one thing good here is that nobody can scam you because you're not giving your money to anybody. You can only lose money in the market because you're trading. Okay? So get back to the person who gave you this information so that the person can guide you to connect immediately. Thank you for listening. Okay.